So it is, what day is today? Today's Monday, the 22nd of March. Wait, and a new box. Charmaine is opening a new box.
Crystal Palace, and they sent it to Nancy. That's funny.
That's so nice.
It's like when I used to live next to Surprise. And then we called it Junk. Nancy.
It's like my kids. Mom.
Okay.
All right, Crystal Palace, what we get? What do you? It's for the wool look.
Needles.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're 26-inch. How
This is
interesting.
just what
When you're beautiful.
when your 24 isn't quite right and your 32 isn't quite right, you need the 26. And crochet hooks. The most popular, good 7 size.
That's so nice. They must have sent it for all the stores. Oh, and a grand prize. Oh.
35-inch.
Oh, it's the grand prize. Oh, that's so nice. Crystal Palace.
That's really nice.
They're beautiful bamboo needles. Oh, that was really nice.
Yeah.
Everybody in at least one store in all stores will have the opportunity to try them out. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Crystal Palace.
Very nice.